Assalamu alaikum. I am Ziharun Nisa. My ID is 181291144. Welcome to my video presentation. Presentation topic name Presentation on Pharmacokinetic Models. First of all, introduction of pharmacokinetic models. Drugs remain in dynamic state within the body and drug events often happen simultaneously. In order to describe a complex biologic system, assumptions are made concerning the movement of drugs. The mathematical models are used to describe the absorption, distribution, and elimination of the drug. Type of pharmacokinetic models. First, compartment models. Similar to human, the animal body is considered as a series of compartments. Each compartment communicate each other reversibly. A compartment is not a real anatomic region but a group of tissues which have similar blood flow. Within each compartment, drug is distributed uniformly. Drug moves in and out of the compartment. Rate constants K12 and K21 are used to represent the constants for transfer of drug from central to peripheral and from peripheral to central compartment respectively. The model is called open model because the drug can be eliminated. Second, one compartment open model. When a drug is given as rapid IV bolus, the entire dose of the drug enters the body immediately. In this case, the rate of absorption is neglected in calculations. In most cases, the drug distributes via the circulation to all the tissues in the body. The most simple pharmacokinetic models for describing the dissolution of the drug is an apparent volume within the body. The one compartment model assumes that any change in the plasma level of drug reflects proportional changes in tissue's drug concentration. Second, two compartment open model. In this model, it is assumed that the drug is distributed in two compartments. If drug is administered in animal's body through IV injection, it is first distributed into the highly perfused tissues and thereafter to less perfused tissues. If plasma level time profile is plotted on semi-logarithmic graphs, it gives a exponential appearance. Distribution alpha and elimination beta phases. The initial step decline of a drug concentration in central compartment is known as distribution plasma of the curve. In this, the drug attains a state of equilibrium between the central compartment and the peripheral compartment. After this equilibrium is established, the loss of the drug from the central compartment appears to be a single first order process due to overall process of elimination of the drug from the body. This second lower rate process is known as the elimination phase. Application of pharmacokinetic models. Characterizing the behavior of drug in patients, calculating the optimum dose regimens for individual patients, evaluating the bioequivalence between different formulations of same drug, determining the influence of altered physiology or disease state on drug ADME, explaining the drug interaction. This is all about my short presentation. Thank you.